Hey, what's up? Do you want to know the secret website I use to find targeted prospects for my business? Targeted prospects means people who are already looking for what you have to sell. They're already interested in your products. They're already looking for them. They're already asking questions about them. They want to know more. They are your target prospect. These are people, they may already be interested in your service. They might be interested in working from home or from your opportunity. The possibilities are endless. I never hear anybody talking about this website. It has been a gold mine for me. So in this video, I'm going to show you what it is, how to use it, how to set it up right, and a few other little secret tips and tricks that are in there too. So stay tuned. Hi, my name's Carrie Baxter from carriebaxter.com. I teach mompreneurs how to build a business working from home and introverts how to build a business without doing any cold prospecting. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
So happy Monday. I'm starting a new series called Marketing Monday. And so I'm going to go live every Monday at 10 a.m. and talk about a way to do marketing so that you can do less and less prospecting in your business and get targeted prospects reaching out to you, which is one of the topics of today's live, which is a secret website that I use to find qualified targeted leads. And you can also use this website to create the perfect content for your audience that your audience is looking for. Now, the reason this is so important is because instead of just randomly messaging people that you don't know, who have never heard of you, who have no idea who you are or what you do or what you have, or you have no clue if they could possibly want it, and you're reaching out to these people over and over and over and over, and they're not targeted, they're not quality. And so it's a ton of rejection, it's a ton of reach outs. And some people it works. So if it's working for you, that's awesome, keep doing it. But a lot of us get burnt out and sick of reaching out to cold leads or leads who have no interest whatsoever in what we're doing. So today I'm going to show you a website that I use to get targeted leads. This means leads that are already interested in what you have. Now, they might not be the exact perfect lead. It might not be like everybody's not a buyer, but at least you're finding people who are somewhat interested in what you're doing. I mean, it's so much more exciting. It's so much more fun to talk to people if at least they're on the right track for what you're looking for, whether it's essential oils, health and wellness, joining your opportunity, no matter what it is, having people that are somewhat interested in what you're doing puts you like leaps and bounds in front of everybody else who's just cold messaging. So that's what we're going to talk about today. And the first thing we need to talk about a little bit is your target market. You have to know who you're targeting for what you're selling. Now, if you're in network marketing and you're going to promote your products, that is a different market than people who want to join your opportunity. So you want to pick one to start with, pick one target market. You want to know a little bit about this person, what their pains are, what their problems are, what they're looking for, what they need help with, a demographic, an age range, a gender. The more you're clear about what you're looking for, the easier it will be for you to find those people, and the easier it will be for them to find you. So know who your target market is. This works way better when you know who your target market is. Okay, so let me show you. Oh, hey, Verilyn, I can see comments today. You never know. You never know on Facebook what you're going to get. So that's awesome. And I am playing around with StreamYard. So I'm going to, be playing around with a few things. And the first thing I'm going to show, test out is screen sharing. And I've never done it before. So let's see how if I can do it. No. Oh, there we go. It's down there. Share screen. Yes. Okay. I think it's working. Your entire screen, an application window. Yes. Oh, wow. This is very cool. Okay. So I think, Verilyn, let me know if you can see this. It's really tiny though. I wonder if I can make it bigger like that. Yeah. Okay. So the website I use to find really targeted prospects is called Quora, Quora.com. And what this is a website where people can ask questions. So people just go there and they type in questions about everything. And it is an amazing place to connect with people with exactly what you're doing. So let me StreamYard sharing. I hope you can still see this. So what I want to do is a couple examples. So first of all, let's try a product. So let's try essential oils. If you're in the essential oil business, you can type in essential oil and look at these amazing questions that come up. Yes, you can see it. Okay, let me know. That's awesome. Okay, so what is an essential oil? Do essential oils work? What's your favorite essential oil? If you're in essential oils, this is an amazing place where you can come and you can do you can do a lot of things, but two main things here. You could ask a question. You could go in and be the one to post these questions and say, I don't know anything about essential oils, but you could say like this one, like, what's your favorite essential oil? Or do you have any questions about essential oils? Or when is the best time to use essential oils? Like you could post a question and then the people who comment, you could engage with and interact with. And the other thing you can do is go answer the question. So you can type on what's an essential oil and people will come and many people will answer the question. And then people can, they can upvote your answer like here. And so if they like your answer, they can vote it up. So it ends up at the top of the page. So that is a great way to use it for finding customers for your products. So Vera Lynn, I think you're in jewelry now. So let's just type in jewelry and see what comes up. Best online jewelry store, best jewelry blogs, the difference between fashion and fine jewelry. So you could come in here and start answering these questions. People can link to your profile. People can find you. They can send you a message. They can ask you questions. You look like an expert. You look like an authority. And people can find you on your social media sites. And then you can also, okay, so that's products. Let's do one for business. So let's do work from home. Sure, let's try that and see what comes up. So what are the best work from home jobs? What are the best work from home opportunities that aren't a scam? How can I work from home? Best ways to work from home. So these, you can come in and answer these questions. And here's a cool thing. One other cool thing about Quora is if you go in and let's say you type on this guy's profile, you can see, my computer's a little slow. You can see how he has his links here and his free, like a free lead magnet. You can see all of his answers that he has given to other people. So people, if you went in and answered a whole bunch of jewelry questions, people could see all the answers you've left about jewelry. So that is how I use Quora to find prospects. You answer questions, you be an authority, and you help people out, you give value, right? Let me tell you, and then there's one other thing about Quora that's super, super cool. Let me get off Joe Sue's profile here. The other thing you can use use Quora for is creating content. This is people that, these are questions that people are asking. So you can go to Quora, type in a keyword, type in the thing that you need help with or that you want to give value on, and answer these questions, right? If you're in essential oils, you can do a video about what is an essential oil? Do they work? What's my favorite? Are they safe? What will happen if somebody eats them or drinks them? Which ones are good for fighting stress and anxiety? I mean, this is a gold mine of content. Isn't this cool? So this is a secret website that a lot of people don't know about. It's kind of a search engine. It's kind of social media, but a lot of people don't use it. Like it never comes up when people talk about social media sites. And this is just a great way to connect with people and get tons and tons of content ideas. And so you could take, and for content, you could take one of these, like let's say you say, is it safe to use essential oils? There, you could do a Facebook post. You could do a blog post. You could do a Facebook Live. You could do a YouTube video. You could do an Instagram video. So you could take this one question and you could create 5 or 10 different pieces of content all around this topic and post them in all different places. So it really is a gold mine. Let me know if you've ever used Quora before, or if yeah, like Vera Lynn says, I'm going to use this. I mean, we all struggle with coming up with content ideas. And I was listening to a video yesterday by Gary Vee, and he was talking about marketing in 2021. And he said, almost every problem a business has, not almost every problem, that's not how he worded it. He said, if a business is struggling, it can almost always be fixed with more content. And we know Gary Vee likes to create tons of content. We don't all have, the time and the staff like Gary Vee. But if you can go to a website like Quora, find the exact questions your prospects are wondering and asking, and create multiple pieces of content around the same question, it does get easier. And you can kind of see why Gary Vee is able to create so many pieces of content in one day. I mean, you could create a YouTube video, or you could create a Facebook Live like this one, and then I could go post it on YouTube, and I could trim it down and use it on Instagram, and I could pull a quote out of it and use it in a story or in a tweet. So it just gives you some ideas. But that's the website. I hope you guys try it out. Let me know if it helps. And feel free to tag me in your content. I'd love to see how you're using it. So you're welcome, Vera Lynn. It was good to see you on today, and good luck with your business, and good luck creating more content. And like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be going live every Monday at 10 a.m. here on my page to do Marketing Monday. So make sure you like my page and sign up for notifications so you get notified when I go live. And if you are interested in more marketing tips, feel free to reach out to me and join my group for Network Marketing for Ambitious Introverts. We would love to have you in there. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.